Welcome back. Now we will start discussion on some information recording techniques that are used in process design or improvement. There are two main types of information recording techniques. These are process charts and diagrams. And we will discuss a number of charts and a number of diagrams. First, process charts. A process chart is a graphic means of representing the activities that occur during a manufacturing or servicing job. Process charts can be divided into two groups. In group 1, we have the charts that are used to record a process sequence, that is series of events in the order in which they occur. But these charts do not depict the events to time scale. So events are not drawn according to time scale. Charts following in this group are operation or outline process chart. Then we have flow process chart that can be drawn for the worker or employee or for material or product. Then we have swim lane chart, and finally we have two-handed process chart. Before we discuss these charts, let's first discuss elements of work. There are 5 basic elements of work. They are operation, inspection, transportation, delay, and storage. We will see their symbol in the next slide. Sometimes more than one element occurs simultaneously. So it is shown as combined element with combined symbol. For example, operation in combination with inspection or inspection in combination with transportation. So in this case, we combine two symbols together. So these are the 5 basic elements of work. So operation is shown as a circle. So a large circle indicates an operation such as driving nail in some wooden workpiece, mixing different ingredients together, or drilling a hole using a drill press. Similarly, transportation is shown using an arrow. So transportation could be moving material by truck or moving material by conveyor or moving material by carrying. So mode of transportation can vary, but this is the symbol used for transportation. Then we have storage. An inverted triangle indicates a storage such as raw material in bulk storage or finished stock stacked on pallets in finished goods store or protective filing of documents in some cupboard. Delay. A large capital D indicates a delay such as a person waiting for the elevator, material in truck or on floor at bench waiting to be processed, or papers waiting to be filed. And finally, we have inspection. A square indicates an inspection such as examining material for quality or quantity, reading steam gauge or on boiler, or examining printed form for information. So the method of inspection can vary, but a square is used to indicate inspection. And two symbols can be combined together. So an inspection was performed in conjunction with an operation. So we can combine the symbol for operation and inspection. So a circle within a square. An operation and transportation took place simultaneously. So arrow and a circle. So symbol for operation and transportation are combined. There are other symbols like two concentric circles show a record was created. A hedge circle shows information was added to a record. And this is a symbol for decision, and this is also very commonly used. So these were the different symbols that we use in charts. So in the next segment, we will discuss outline process chart.